Senior .NET devs, you ever fix the same bug in 3 separate projects and think, I should really consolidate this into a shared framework? Well, here's your you already know this reminder for senior .NET developers. That instinct is right, but the timing matters more than the instinct. Here's how I think about it. If you've got 2 or 3 similar projects, keep them separate. Seriously, copy paste the code. Fix bugs in each one. It's faster. The overhead of a shared framework with 2 consumers isn't worth it. You'll spend more time designing the abstraction than you save. But here's the trigger. When you're fixing the same authorization bug, the same validation logic, the same data access pattern across 4, 5, 6 projects, that's your signal. That's when duplication stops being simple and starts being a liability. Now, here's where a lot of teams mess up. They take those divergent standalone projects and just yank the common code into a shared library. No contracts, no interfaces, no extension points. And now one refactor breaks every client. That's not a framework, that's a hand grenade. When I built the Global Cove Technologies framework, I didn't start by extracting code. I started by designing the contracts. What does every project need? Well, it needs authentication, authorization, data access, logging, common patterns. What does each project do that's different? Well, that's client specific. The core defines the interface. The client implements its own version. That's how you get 100 plus projects on one framework without refactoring turning into a week of firefighting. So here's your decision tree. 2 or 3 projects? Well, stay separate. Copy paste is fine. 4 or more? Well, it's time to consolidate, but only if you design the boundaries first. Interfaces, extension points, client-specific overrides. If you can't clearly separate what's shared from what's unique, then you're not ready for a framework yet. The goal was never zero duplication. The goal was shipping without fear. So don't consolidate until the pain of duplication outweighs the cost of abstraction. But when you do, architect the contract first, or you'll wish you just kept copying and pasting. I'm Chad Carter, helping .NET teams ship production apps faster. You already know what you're doing, so now go and ship it. And hey, if this helped, you know the drill. Plus, you may want to go ahead and share this with a dev that you like. And I'll see you in the next video.